What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Hope you guys are having a good day today. I have right next to me a Gen 5 fully wrapped in a 3M Smoldering Satin Red with some gloss black accents and the Terminator VIS carbon fiber hood. The Gen 5 is rocking the full-on 6th Gen ZL1 front end conversion with the headlights, fog lights, and the bumper. One of the cool things about this bumper that we wanted to give it a unique, very nice, aggressive look by adding gloss black accents on top of the satin Smoldering Red. Moving down to the headlight action, where you guys can see the full bumper is wrapped in the Smoldering 3M film, but at the same time we wanted to give it a nice gloss black accent right here so it can contrast with the lip, the fog light bezel, and the top action, where it gives it a nice, mean, aggressive look. One last gloss black accent is where we added on the middle of the ZL1 bumper. As you can see, the gloss black lip was already get to go painted, but we wanted to leave a nice accent going over with the flow of the lip going on the top to give this whole look a very nice aggressive with the mean satin red and the gloss black on the ZL1 bumper. Going over to the hood, guys, our client wanted the hood not to be wrapped in any sort of color. Again, this hood is already amazing as is. As you can see, the Terminator hood made by VIS, giving this build a full-on complete front aggressive end. Moving over to the side fender, as you can see, the whole fender is wrapped in the Smoldering Satin Red in 3M. Again, our client wanted to add some roll call action representing all the companies that he's rocking on his build. Obviously, we got Auto Addict, he's got APR, VIS Racing, which is the hood, and then some H&R springs on his Gen 5 build. Let's go ahead and shift this movement to the side where we got the mirror rocking a two-tone action. It is a gloss black accent all around with a nice satin red on top and give it a nice two-tone touch. Moving over to the side, as you can see, guys, we had to make sure the door handle is gloss black so it contrasts really well around all the door wrapped in the satin red. As you guys see on the rear action, where our client is rocking the Gen 6 style tail lights for his Gen 5, giving his look a full-on Gen 6 style in the front and the back. Let's go over the bumper. As you can see, we kind of gave it a two-tone touch with the black and the red, giving it a nice aggressive look like it deserves. Overall, guys, this Gen 5 Satin Smoldering Red 3M wrap is one of my favorites. It has a really nice shade and a touch under the sunlight and at nighttime as well. It kind of gives a nice little glare on red, but it also at the same time a really nice dark shade as well, giving the build the mean aggressive look that it deserves. Let's go ahead and capture our client's reaction right now. He just arrived to the shop. We're gonna go ahead and bring him in here. He hasn't seen anything. We've been posting on our Instagram story, black and white stories. He does not know what this thing looks like. So let's go ahead and capture his reaction and move forward from there. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get Khil out here right now to go see his build. Let's go ahead and show you guys his reaction. We're super excited to see his Gen 5 fully wrapped in a 3M film. Let's go ahead and check it out, man. Gen 5.
No way, man. I already looked from over here.
Yeah. It's really nice.
I love the bumper, man.
Yeah. As you can see on the bottom in the middle right here, told you we won't go up.
Yeah.
It's actually blended really well with the front lip, so it was super aggressive. The eyelid contrasted with the bezels, super cool. The fog lights do work, but I got to turn on the car right now, so it should be good. The banner.
I love how you did the banner two-tone.
Yeah, perfectly, and it gave you that two-tone. It's the same color, but at the same time, you know, it matches the HT with the top. So moving over to the side, as you can see, two-tone mirror. Give you a nice little gloss black with a nice little touch. Got the roll call on the side, nice and aggressive in gloss black. We were gonna emboss it. Again, you want us not to?
Yeah,
it was a good choice.
Yeah,
definitely a good choice on that, okay? And then moving on to the side, all around smoldering. Got the nice finish, gloss black action over here.
Oh, I love that.
A lot better than it was. Yes, yes. And then the Range Rover kind of roof in a way with the gloss black. I do have another option for you. I'll be proposing to you very soon after this. And then
I love what you did with the wing.
Yes, yeah. See, it's like why go black, right? Like you wanted to.
That's
so
tight.
The two-tone. So we kept kind of like the front action you see right around the plate. We wanted to match the front lip as well. So you get kind of how to do this, man. Yeah.
It looks so good. It looks way better than I expected.
Exactly. So and then the OC was removed over here.
Thanks for that.
And then should be good. But I thought the trims weren't very that much of a big because it's not that thick or like a very like eye catching. So it kind of
it flows with the
right. So it's like why remove it? So
that's tight. You guys killed this, man.
Yeah, the HD right here. I gotta show you right here. This is one of the embosses you can see. So I mean, from gas, you know.
That's tight. I like that. And it's black.
And it's black. Yeah,
that's dope.
This is right under the sun. Dude, at nighttime, man, it gives it such a nice shade that where it's like, damn, this is like a Gen 5, but also it looks like a Gen 6 to me now. But, you know, so.
Killing work, man. It looks great.
Hell yeah.
Dope.
Yeah,
thank you guys.
100%.
Thank you guys.
Sure, good. No, thank you. This is all you, man. It's all your trust and everything. There you guys have it. You got the Gen 5 fully completed in the 3M Smoldering Satin Red with some gloss black accents and the carbon Terminator hood. If you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you press that notification bell button so every time we post, you guys are fully alerted. Alright guys, after this Gen 5 was completed, we're going to be wrapping a full-on Mustang build in a new gloss super metallic rose gold with Inzotex film. Stay tuned for that. We're very excited to show you guys, and I will see you guys in the next build. Peace. As you can see where the eyelids over here is fully covered in a black gloss black. Whoa. It has the Gen 6 style headlights. We wanted to give him an ice. Whoa. Going over to the side, we wanted to do a special roll call for our client, rocking the brands that he's rocking the. As you can see the mirror, we gave it a two-tone touch, giving it the 3M satin mold. This build already looks like a Gen 6, but it is eventually, sadly, I'm messing up. Alright guys, so after that, we're gonna be wrapping a full-on Mustang. Wait, how do we pronounce the name? Make sure you, wait, hold on.